another bad day in the Supreme Court is another bad day for America. This is precisely why I recommend in the Liberty Amendments a convention of states. So a 3/5 majority of the state legislatures can overturn a Supreme Court decision. Now, the Supreme Court ruled today that what are really rational, common sense health requirements that the state of Texas imposes on abortion clinics as a result of, among other things, what took place in Philadelphia with Kermit Gosnell, was unconstitutional, when in fact there's nothing in the Constitution that even addresses abortion. And so the people of Texas lost a piece of their sovereignty to a Supreme Court in Washington, D.C. And the answer to that is Article 5 in the Constitution. But it was mostly about sovereignty, sovereignty, sovereignty. Who gets to make decisions for whom? And when you lose the consent of the governed, as we just did in our Supreme Court, as they did with the EU, well, then you don't have a sovereign nation, really, do you? There was no reason for the Supreme Court to do what it did, other than the 5 justices have a personal view different than the people of Texas. That's not good enough.
The Constitution's own solution, which is to say the founders' own solution, is right here. And they said, let's use the structure of the states to reduce the power of the federal government because of a very simple principle. No branch of government should have the final say about how much power that branch has. And when we let Washington, D.C. decide how much power Washington, D.C. is going to have, we're toast.